everybody, it's Rulon Brown from Key Leaves, and I have a beautiful Taishan Bari Sax. I got this recently from a woman in West Seattle, Washington, and she called it her Dragon Lady Bari Sax. So, hey, it's affectionately now my Dragon Lady Bari Sax by Taishan. And I want to show you how I'm using Key Leaves on this sax. So let me show you what we're going to do with the Key Leaves sax key props. They're very simple, and normally on an alto or a tenor sax we could just come under the E flat arm and reach over to the C sharp arm. But there's so little space here to work with on a Bari sax, and it's so tall that it's not usually going to work very well. So what we'll do instead on a Bari sax is just detach each of the sax key props, and we'll double up the strap like that. And then take one of them and just reattach it like so. They can pivot at whatever angle or direction you want around that button top head. And then one of the most popular ways to do this is just open up the C sharp pad, and you'll notice that it has an auxiliary lever here on most modern saxophones. So you can just slide right under that. Now the C sharp and the G sharp is open to dry clean up here. Right up there. So by doing that, we've opened both of the keys. And then we're going to come down here to the E flat. Because this is such a tall post here, we're not going to get any propping action unless we arch it. So see how I'm arching this up? I would just arch this and then slide under that arm. That gives me more height, and then we're home free on that E flat so that that is open to dry clean.